I will not go into those legalities. The task given to me as the town planning minister, I have tried to fulfill that task. Actually, this plan which has been, as I have said, first condition of Charles was that there should not be any political interference in preparation of the plan. We have tried to be really, today I told when I spoke for 3 hours with village groups and Goa Bachao Abhiyan, I told them, today you are able to fight with us, today you are able to argue with us, at least you are seeing the plan of a village, giving detailed survey numbers, detailed roads, everything. What did you have today? You see the 2001 plan, MDRs, how they are marked, you see MDR, can you identify MDR there? One single line passes through everybody's survey number. You don't know because you are not knowing that it is a road. Today, because your survey number has been enlarged, it is 1:5,000 scale. Today the roads have been demarcated properly. You are able to know that there is a road of 25 meters passing through your survey number. And that is why you are up in arms against this. That means our enlargement of the plan, our demarcating of the transparency has actually boomeranged, because now people are saying road was passing in 1977.
Question, just one more clarification. Now you already notified RP21, right? Okay, RPG21 is notified. Now there are demands from all over, and you have increased the deadline till 20th December. And after that, the SLC will sit together, and depends on the quantum of the whole thing, that will take time. Okay, it will take time, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, we don't know. Okay, till then, what happens? Because there are genuine errors also. Like so many people have said that there was a temple which is discussion. So what happens to all these things?
During the discussion, one thought which came forward, that anybody obtains a permission during this period. That means from 20th December or now till we said that after 20th December, by 31st January, we should be able to resolve all these issues.
Or whenever you finish the job.
So we said during that period, any permission is given, that permission will have a categorical remark that this permission is subject to revocation or interim, whatever. Legally we are
why a permission has to be given? There was a permission given near Okoke Road, the whole road. The permission was given for building houses with a clause that if there is a highway comes up, then houses will be demolished. You are not demolishing the houses, you are shifting the road now. That will happen tomorrow. This whole road, all the buildings which have come up, they have given in writing that we are ready to prepare to demolish the houses if highway comes up there. Now when you put a highway proposal there, the people rise up, you succumb to people's demand, and you are thinking of shifting the highway. So your revocation will be that kind of thing, conditional things.
In 1 month or 2 months time, you can't construct a project. Keep in mind one thing. You can't. That is why our target was that you submit the rectification, because we have already had.
No, why to give the permissions at all?
How you can stop the permissions? Genuine permission also, how you can stop? I'm just saying.
Wherever there are applications, they have to be examined.
Sandesh, I will just try to say something. We've just browsed through what we have received in terms of application. I think we have what figure? Around 6,900. 75% of that, 2,300. Of course, I was talking about our 2nd December. That 75% to 80% are all for change in back again. They want convert my land. So genuine settlement.
Goa requires a plan. We have made a sincere effort to give a plan. And I am again saying, the first time village could deliberate, discuss on what happens in their village or what is going to happen in their village. Earlier, this practice was never there. Today, villagers, as I said, today villagers are coming, arguing because they are having some document where they can discuss, they can deliberate. Even if they are fighting, they are able to fight only because there is a document to do.
There is a section in the TCP Act, 17C, which says withdrawal of the regional plan. It says that if the government is of the opinion that such a regional plan is required to be withdrawn, the government may direct the chief town planner to withdraw the operation of the regional plan from such date, either prospective or retrospective, in its entirety or in parts. So, since you have this clause,
it is ready. What you are saying, if you withdraw it in entirety
or in parts.
No. I'm saying if the moment you withdraw it entirety, you will have to have some plan for implementation. Then you go back to 2001, which is notified plan, which is a notified plan.
Which is not a.
See, when 2011 plan was denotified, 2001 came into picture. Somebody will go to the court and say, as per my this 2001 plan, I am settlement. Why are you not approving? And court will say, yes, you can't have run the state without a plan. Now, if you say remove it in parts, now it is not one panchayat, or it is in one place in one panchayat where there is problem. It is one place in some other panchayat. So that is why what we said, we had suggested like this, that within a period of 1 month, 2 months, so that even if somebody tries to take a permission, you won't be able to start the work. That is what I am saying. It is not that easy, you immediately start. And we can even informally, I told to the village groups also, when we discussed, we said that there are specific cases where you bring it to, you give it in writing to us, something like that. We can see that the permissions are held up.
No, at least can it be like this, that no permission.
The record, if you see of the 86, the thing that we have received, 73 are not saying to scrap, they are saying make correction. Only 13 are saying scrap.
Without giving any reason.
There is a precedence when the FARs were sought to be reduced, and before the notification on the FARs came, there was a very clear-cut ban on all constructions for that period of 5 to 6 months. There has been a precedent to it.
No.
But the point is, permissions were not given.
We gave a cut-off date. There was only cut-off date. He said those applications received up to this date.
There was no ban.
No, that cannot be. Anybody will go to the court.
Can there be a very simple thing that no permissions till 28th December, and after 28th December till the whole issue is resolved by the SLC, at least those applications which are marked, you are not going to give any permission for that.
What I suggested during my discussion with them, supposing some panchayat has got some problem, that is what we are saying, illegally we will examine. They have raised some issues. Some panchayats have certain problem with respect to certain area. They say that this is the deal. SLC also probably agrees that yes, this is required everything. There we can withhold. We can't reject, but we can withhold.
Somebody has said that certain things are not identified. For example, pond is not shown or a temple is not shown.
Yeah,
that should be corrected.
That should be corrected. That is because actually it's a settlement level thing, but doesn't matter. That can be corrected. The rest, if you see, by and large, the applications which are coming in is to convert my settlement. Okay. Regarding village panchayat Pilan, I have a copy of the resolution which has asked what areas to be converted or changed to settlement from the Panchayat Gram Sabha, because there is a report which says that village panchayat Pilan never sent any plan and SLC has fabricated it on its own. So this is the copy of it. Now the second accusation is that this panchayat is corrupt, so we should not, the SLC should not listen to it. I think we don't make value judgments on from whom it comes from. So these are the accusations in the papers we read. So I have a copy of it which gives all the survey numbers they want, and it is signed by the village panchayat Gram Sabha. It has come to us from the Gram Sabha.
They are saying that no, you denotify and rectify. So I say by denotifying, what are you going to get? Your road widths remain the same, right? MDRs are not going to change. Road widths will not change. Whatever is in the 2001 regional plan, same road widths will remain. You are not going to get, you will go back to the old FAR unless they want that old FAR is beneficial to them. And eco-sensitive, you want eco-sensitive to goes automatically. Then what happens within that period, within 4 months or 5 months, supposing I am just saying, then what happens? You get, can you stop getting the approvals? Can you stop getting the approval? Whatever, now they have removed fields and all like that. Now there one genuine demand which I felt, those members of a SLC, probably they had slight this, that their one, this was, that for example Kurtori, they say that in 2001, our lands were shown as settlement. Even if they are petty, their argument, even if they are petty, they are not cultivated for the last so many years. Now how you can change it to petty? I was confident, supposing I have a place, I have a land, I am owner of the land. I am confident that in 2001 my land was zoned as settlement. I am not bothered to check. Now suddenly your plan comes and it shows back to settlement. That is the paddy. There is no cultivation has taken place. There also I discussed with them. I said, if it is not cultivated anymore, or if that is a genuine case where it is right from beginning, buried land or something, I said we can think of. To that extent, I went to accommodate them.
Actually, this word denotification was used more in a technical sense. The confusion was, and the question is, that if you do any kind of rectification, when you do rectification, obviously the fresh plan which comes with the rectifications will be different from the existing plan.
Why don't you be specific?
No, I'm
What,
talking-
for instance,
I'm-
if it's adding a pond which exists, that's not changing the plan.
No, I'm stating that after you receive all suggestions from various Gram Panchayats up to December 20th, and then when you finally take a decision. Obviously, the thing is, some suggestions will be accepted, some suggestions will be no. So when you make those changes, and when you do rectify, can you do that without denotification?
Actually, a regional plan does not show the widths of roads. It's like a sketch plan for a building. The next step should have been settlement plans. Settlement plans would go in for this. A road can be made 10 meters, but not go in a straight line, but as it always does. Now, unfortunately, because of this whole thing, the Taluka plans actually are showing a level of detail which gets us into this problem. But they can all be rectified when you get to the settlement plans. That is when they can take this as a guide, and they should start that process right away. I don't know who's going to do it. The town planning department does it, or they do it themselves.
And
they
PWD
do,
also.
PWD. These settlement plans would carry out all the rectifications. What is dangerous is that if you think the recommendation which people have asked for is convert my land, and you want to do that, then you would have to have, that is to my mind part of the agony people are going through. The ones who bought huge pieces of land, the big developers, the ones even small people, they must be feeling frustrated by this all. But repeating the process, a new bunch of people will feel frustrated, because this process of top down, bottom up is a messy thing. It's two positions, and there has to be a negotiation to find what is like in any political, and it involves politics actually, obviously. And that is a process which, if you do it again, it won't come out any better. In fact, I wonder if it will come out as well, because you had a lot of energy and I think devotion put into this. And it is transparent. I'm sorry it isn't communicated, but now I think we should really put everything on the net so anyone can go and see what happened.
You can
to the
understand
request.
the massive work which has been done. If you look at the plan, to get even this type of a plan, the amount of people ask why you have taken so many years and all. You can just see.
No, the worry is that now it will not go forward. That is the worry.
So
now.
that's the thing. The thing is, it must go in the sense that I think what you just said about that no house has ever been knocked down since last. You should say for that won't happen as long as your government.
No, I am
is
also
there.
explored
You
that.
should say that.
Whatever we issued in the form of an advertisement. I am just saying, whatever we issued in the form of an advertisement, we can issue it in the form of a order also officially by making certain changes as far as road widths are concerned, by giving more clarification.
No, I think also what needs to be established is in all these corrections that may take place in these next few weeks, whatever, is establish criteria first. Criteria. So it's not the thing of somebody applies and therefore you consider it even. You say establish criteria. If you say Eco 1 in no way is changed, you establish those sort of things.
More than I have one question. More than these minor corrections, rectifications, I would be bothered about what Mr. Deshpande said, that the major devil was mega projects, and with these two provisions like FAR and no occupancy.
Height restriction.
Yeah, height. It's going to go away. This devil is.
At least some village identity now could be.
No,
maintained.
I would like to know from you, NSLC, whether mega projects is out of Goa, A. B. Whether you really can implement something like no occupancy tax
We already started processing.
to create this. And Mr. Korea, if you can enlighten with your experience, has this been implemented in any other state of India or anywhere abroad to
I think there are states where you can't buy. I think Haryana you can't buy. Himachal Pradesh you can't buy.
We can't ban
Are you in favor of the no
We can't make a legislation to
No,
ban.
see, no occupancy tax, the intent, when we discussed elaborately, the intention is, today you go to any part of the state where there are big colonies. People have purchased the flats, they are taking all the benefits, infrastructure is there, everything is there, but the flats are not put to use.
But
That means
Churchill law will come up, sir, first against you, because no occupancy, not just non-Goans, there are Goans.
No, we have said it is only for non-resident.
No, but Mr. Kamath, is your government with you on this? Is your cabinet with you on this?
I think there should not be any problem.
No, I think it requires a cabinet decision, and I going to take a cabinet decision.
We are processing actually there are some modalities and who will collect it, which department will collect it.
No. Elections can be announced any time. Will it be before elections are announced? Because after that you won't be able to do it.
We will try to bring it before elections